As you can see on this video, guys, breaking news right now. Israeli missiles have reportedly hit multiple areas in Tehran. Iranian news agencies say at least 5 explosions were heard in the capital. Explosions were also recorded in other cities. Israel has officially named this operation and they have declared a state of emergency. At the same time, the United States is also carrying out strikes on Iranian targets by air and sea, according to a US official. This is a major geopolitical escalation, and as we see, the market is reacting to this. It matters to us a lot because markets react immediately. In the past 24 hours, over 150,000 traders were liquidated, and the liquidations are hitting above $500 million. $500 million wiped out in a single day. That's what happens when sudden global uncertainty hits leveraged markets. And here is why this matters. When conflicts escalate in the Middle East, markets instantly price the risk. Possible oil supply disruption, energy prices rising, inflation going back up, global instability. And when uncertainty rises, then investors move into risk off mode. They take their money away from the crypto market and they run to gold, oil, silver, like commodities, precious metals, and oil. Crypto is considered a risk asset, the riskier asset from these classes. So the first reaction is usually volatility, sharp drops, fast liquidations, and emotional trading. This doesn't mean that Bitcoin is broken, of course. It just means that leverage is getting flushed out. And this is important. Geopolitical shocks don't just move price, they also change liquidity conditions. If oil spikes, it's up 3% today. Because of conflict, inflation expectations also rise. If inflation rises, central banks delay rate cuts. If rate cuts are delayed, risk assets like crypto feel pressure. It's all connected, to be honest. And right now, we are seeing fear move faster than fundamentals. And in moments like this, most traders make mistakes. They overreact, they panic sell, they open revenge trades. And what I would say here is important that we focus on one thing, and that's risk management. Volatility is not the problem. Uncontrolled leverage is, though. And remember, geopolitical events can escalate, but they can also de-escalate very quickly through diplomacy. Markets can dump fast and they can also bounce just as fast. The key question is not where is Bitcoin going in the next hour. The key question is, are you positioned to survive this volatility? Because in times like this, survival is more important than prediction. So just keep monitoring the situation very closely. In the meantime, make sure you stay calm, you stay disciplined, and protect your capital. Of course, we would have very good discounts if you have the opportunity to buy. Make sure you do, but don't go all in because things can escalate further and we can even see cheaper prices as we go. Let's just quickly see on Crypto Bubbles how we are doing today. Okay, we've got now Crypto Bubbles over here. We have drops, as we can see, from around 5 to 15% right now, with pretty big bubbles being Caspa, Arbitrum. They're down 10%. We have C down 11%. Render down 11%. Great discounts, more than 10%. And we have deeper pullbacks as we go lower in terms of market cap. And we can see that Bitcoin with a single candle has dropped to our invalidation range over here. So we're probably not going to see us going to the 75k level in the short term. If we drop below this level, if that continues, we are likely heading to the 50k level. So we'll keep monitoring that. Join us on Discord to see technical analysis, to see what is happening, how we are repositioning, are we moving to stable coins, are we accumulating more as this situation escalates. You'll find link to the Discord in the description below, and I'll be very happy to welcome you as part of our community. So that's for me today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.